Alright guys, I'm on a pit bike. It's a 125 4-stroke Chinese pit bike. Do you think I can make it from here to that summit there? Find out in 2 seconds when I teleport myself up there. Look at that, dude. Look at that freaking view. I made it, guys. I made it to the top of this mountain. I wouldn't say without problem, but yeah. Alright guys, so back out here again in Liberty Lake, trying to make it up Mica Peak. In the last video, you see we ran into some issues. We ran into that gate, it's private property, and we ran out of time. We left super late in the day. We just didn't have time. So I'm back out here today. Obviously, Moto Mike's not with me. He was unable to come. He had some bike problems we haven't fixed yet. As you saw in the last video, his brake got messed up, and he needs some tires and things. But you know, he's got family stuff going on, and he's not always able to do this type of stuff. So it's just me today. I really think we can do it today. It's kind of you know, scary going out this far on a child's, you know, motorcycle toy, going that far out, but I think we can do it, and I think it can be something real good, and it can be real cool. So I'm super excited, and we'll see what happens. We'll see how far I make it, and what goes on. But yeah. We're gonna take it pretty slow today because I'm alone. This is the hill that last time that I got stuck on because my chain came off. I had previously tightened my chain before we left, but I forgot to tighten one of the locking nuts, and so my chain just came off on the way up. So hopefully this time will be, you know, better than that. Shit. All right, we made it out of the park. That is good. All right, so as you saw last time when we made it up here, I said to you guys, that's where I'm going. And that's where I'm going today, hopefully. It don't look that far away once you get up here. It really doesn't look too bad. So, but yeah, so that's still the plan, and that's still what we got going on, and got a little ways to go, but see, we're so close. It's right there. That's literally the top right there. So it's not like it's, you know, unbelievably far away. I mean, we're so close. If I can get a trail that just comes around this way and I can get up there, then we're golden. So that's it right there, guys. That's literally the summit that I'm trying to make it to. It's that close. It's right in front of me. And then the rock is a little further down, but you know, once you get up there, everything's easy. I just don't know how far that this trail goes, or where it exactly goes. So hopefully we're gonna find out today. Damn, it's muddy through there. Oh, I killed it. That's not good. No. Dude, damn. They really cut this shit out. Oh my gosh. How did they do this? They really don't want people going on this trail. I wonder if that other trail is a way around this one. Okay, I just fell. I just tripped. That's dangerous. I could have just wrecked myself. Anyway. Send it! That's what I'm talking about. This is taking me up, it seems like, so maybe. Oh my god, okay. Okay, that's probably the end of the road right here. There's no way Oh, there's a stream. Oh, let's take a break here real quick. This is so ridiculous. Who the hell takes a Chinese pit bike and does this alone like an idiot? Okay, another stream crossing. Okay, that's not too bad. This right here though is I think I would say above my skill level and above my bike's riding level. Yeah, look at that. This is just vertical, and it's just I mean, look how far up I've already walked. My bike's way over there. This just gets stupid. Damn, I really thought this was the way. I was like, well, it's kind of buck, but, you know, it seems like it could. Look at this. Look how deep this is. This is like halfway up my leg. There's no way I'm going through this on my pit bike and making it through. How's the bike doing? Nice and muddy? Yeah, it is. That's good. I wonder if I have service out here. No freaking way I have service out here. Alright, so we're going to cruise back down this horrifying trail that I just came up. And we're going to have to ride all the way back to that spot where there's like 7 different trails that split off. And that's one good thing about having a pit bike, turning around. Anyway, we're gonna have to cruise back to that spot where all those trails split off, and there was the sign for private property. That's where we're gonna go back to and basically restart this whole journey. But that's okay. That's why I come out here, to find a way up this thing. Okay, as my bike died. Look where I am now. My bike died. If you look where I am now, it's covered by trees. So you actually can't see the trail. Like when I look on Google satellite, this is how I find these trails. I look on there, and there's just trails everywhere, all over these mountains. But a lot of times, you'll go to follow a trail, and it will just disappear into the trees because it's covered by trees. So it's like, shit, you know, you can't find some of this stuff. Alright, we're not going to waste any time. We're just heading out this way. I hate going in the opposite direction of where I'm trying to go, but we're just going to see where this trail takes us. Alright, had to take a quick break, take a piss, take a drink of some coconut water that tastes like basically salted milk. I don't know why I brought just coconut water. Fucking stupid. Anyway, that's okay. It's all I have to drink. Holy shit. Holy shit, look at these views. This is so gangster. Holy shit. Oh my god. Private property, no unauthorized motor vehicles traffic beyond this point. So what, I can't go up here?
How are you doing?
Pretty good. Are we allowed to go up there?
Well, technically, no.
Man, I came all this way to I've been planning this for months, trying to get up here, and huh?
Good couple miles of nasty road.
Up this one?
Yeah. That takes you to top to the cell towers. It looks pretty flat too.
Well, it's actually supposed to have a good amount of slack in it because
I mean, yeah, but they're probably going way slower than we were coming down.
let's see. I didn't come all this way to stop here. running a little low on fuel, but I think I can make it. Those guys said it's rough up here, but I think I can make it. Okay, this is rough. They were right. This is mighty rough. I made it, dude. I made it. Oh my gosh, I made it. I made it. This is crazy. That was the worst trail I've ever ridden on, but I made it. Look at that, dude. Look at that freaking view. I made it, guys. I made it to the top of this mountain. We made it, guys. This is weird up here, dude. All this equipment. Hopefully I remember how to get back.